Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. So itutuloy natin yung ating series on how to convert a general form of linear equation to its point slope form, and this is our second video in the series. Okay, so again, yung general form can either be ax plus by equals c sa ibang books, at sa ibang books naman ay ax plus by plus c. So gagawin natin siyang y equals mx plus b, which is the point slope form. Okay, so sa point slope form, ina-isolate natin yung y. So iwanan natin yung y sa isang side para maging point slope form siya. So in this case, for example, pwede nating hiwalay na yung 6, no? I-negative yung minus 6. So magiging 4x minus 3y minus 6 equals 0 plus 6, di ba? Plus 6. Okay, so this is just solving equation. So ang minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So 4x minus 3y equals 6. Next, y ang gusto nating maiwan sa kaliwa. Meaning, tatanggalin natin yung 4x. So 4x minus 3y. Ang 4x, paano mo tatanggalin? Magma-minus ka ng 4x, syempre, di ba? So, minus 4x also. So, pag na-minus ka ng 4x sa kaliwa, syempre, equation yan, magma-minus ka rin ng 4x sa kanan. So, mangyayari, mawawala na to kasi nag-minus ka na. So, matitira na lang is negative 3y. Negative 3y equals, now, instead of 6 minus 4x, gusto ko siyang gawin parang mx plus b. So, magiging negative 4x plus 6. Remember yung a minus b natin? A minus b can be written as a plus negative b, which means that this can be written as yung 6 minus 4x can be written as negative 4x or 6 plus negative 4x. And since ang addition ay commutative, pwede kong unahin yung negative 4x and then plus 6 sa kanan, which is ginawa ko dito. Okay? So yeah, that's the reason behind. Right? Sana lang, yung negative 3 na lang yung tatanggalin natin para y lang yung nasa kaliwa. So divided by negative 3, no? 3y, negative 3y over negative 3 equals a negative 4x plus 6 divided by negative 3. Okay, negative 3 tsaka negative 3, magka-cancel yan. No? Y na lang matitira. And then this becomes, katulad sa previous video, pinaghiwalay natin, magiging negative 4x. Negative 4x divided by negative 3, which is, we still add plus 6 divided by negative 3. So meaning this is negative 4 tsaka negative 3 if you divide. 4/3 na lang, di ba? 4/3 x and then plus 6 divided by negative 3, negative 2. So ito na yung ating point slope form. So ang slope natin dito, which is m, ang m natin ay yung negative 4/3 at ang b natin ay negative 2. So pwede pa natin yan i-rewrite, no? Imbis na plus negative, we can rewrite it as y equals, hindi siya negative kasi nawala na pala. Sorry. This is 4/3. This is 4/3 plus 4/3 x plus negative 2. Y equals 4/3 x minus 2. So, pwede natin siyang i-rewrite as minus 2 yung plus negative 2. Okay, so I guess we will have the next example in the next video. Medyo mahaba ito pag sinama pa natin dito. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo dito. I'll see you in the next video.